Is cybersecurity the right career choice for you today? If you're seeking a brief response, my answer is a resounding yes. In fact, I highly recommend pursuing cybersecurity with enthusiasm. However, I understand that you require more information, such as the reasons why it's a worthwhile career to pursue today. I'll be discussing those points in the following minutes. So prepare yourself for an enlightening experience. In today's technologically driven world, the importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. With cyber threats becoming increasingly sophisticated and prevalent, businesses and governments are facing unprecedented challenges in safeguarding their information and digital assets. This has given rise to a pressing demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals who can defend against cyber attacks and protect sensitive information. And here are some of the reasons why cybersecurity is a good career path today. Number one, the expanding cyber threat landscape. Cybersecurity threats have evolved beyond simple malware and phishing attacks. Cyber criminals are now using advanced techniques such as ransomware, supply chain attacks, and social engineering to breach security defenses. Notably, the COVID-19 pandemic created new opportunities for cyber criminals as remote work and increased online activity exposed vulnerabilities in systems and networks. The need for robust cybersecurity measures has become paramount to mitigate risks and maintain trust in the digital ecosystem. Let's delve deeper into ransomware, supply chain attacks, and social engineering to understand how cyber criminals utilize these tactics to breach security defenses. We'll start with ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malicious software that encrypts a victim's data, rendering it inaccessible. Criminals typically demand a ransom in exchange for providing the decryption key, allowing the victim to regain access to their data. Ransomware attacks can be devastating for individuals, businesses, and even critical infrastructure, causing significant financial losses and disrupting operations. How does it work? Ransomware is usually delivered through phishing emails, malicious attachments, or compromised websites. Once the ransomware infects a device or network, it rapidly spreads encrypting files and locking users out of their systems. The attackers then display a ransom note demanding payment, often in cryptocurrency, within a specified time frame. The second one will be supply chain attacks. Supply chain attacks involve targeting vulnerabilities in third-party suppliers or service providers to gain unauthorized access to the ultimate target systems. These attacks leverage the trust established between the target and its suppliers, making them challenging to detect and defend against. How does it work? Cyber criminals infiltrate the supply chain through various means, such as compromising software updates, hardware components, or cloud services. And once inside, they exploit these trusted connections to introduce malware or backdoors into the target's network. And the next one is social engineering. Social engineering relies on manipulating human psychology to deceive individuals into divulging sensitive information, such as passwords or confidential data. Cyber criminals use psychological tactics to gain trust, exploit emotions, or create a sense of urgency, convincing victims to disclose valuable information willingly. And how does it work? Social engineering attacks can take various forms, including phishing emails, pretexting, creating a fabricated scenario to elicit information, or baiting, enticing links or open infected files. Ransomware, supply chain attacks, and social engineering represent just a few examples of the diverse and ever-evolving tactics employed by cyber criminals to breach security defenses. To protect against these threats, organizations must adopt a multi-layered approach to cybersecurity, combining robust technical measures, employee education, and comprehensive incident response plan. By staying vigilant and proactive, we can collectively strengthen our defenses and thwart cyber adversaries' efforts, safeguarding the digital landscape for a more secure and resilient future. Now, let's talk about the second reason why cybersecurity is a good career path for you. The second reason is that there's a rising demand for cybersecurity professionals. The escalating threat landscape has led to a significant shortage of skilled cybersecurity professionals. As the reliance on technology grows, organizations are scrambling to fill crucial cybersecurity positions to protect their networks and sensitive data from cyber threats. However, the demand far outweighs the supply, creating a talent gap that poses significant risks to global cybersecurity. The World Economic Forum's Global Risk Report consistently ranks cybersecurity attacks and data breaches among the top global risks the world can expect. The report also highlights the lack of qualified cybersecurity professionals as a critical factor contributing to this risk. Addressing this skill gap requires proactive efforts to attract and train new talent in the cybersecurity field. That's the reason number two. But there is more demand. The need for cybersecurity professionals is way high. And reason number three, I guess that was two. So three will be this way. There are exciting career paths in cybersecurity. And here's how. Cybersecurity offers a diverse array of career paths, catering to individuals with varying interests and skill sets. For tech enthusiasts and ethical hackers, penetration testing and vulnerability assessment roles provide the thrill of identifying and fixing security weaknesses. On the other hand, cybersecurity analysts monitor and respond to incidents, ensuring the resilience of digital infrastructure. Additionally, cybersecurity consultants engage with clients to design comprehensive security strategies, offering valuable guidance in risk management and compliance. Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing, has gained prominence as an essential aspect of cybersecurity. Organizations worldwide employ ethical hackers to simulate cyber attacks and identify vulnerabilities before malicious hackers exploit them. This approach helps businesses fortify their defenses and prevent potential breaches. That was reason number three. Now we move to number four. Cybersecurity is a lucrative field with competitive salaries. Did you hear that? Competitive salaries. That would be a motivation to join. So the demand for cybersecurity professionals has had a significant impact on salaries in the field. As companies vie for top talents, they offer competitive compensation packages to attract skilled individuals. This trend is not limited to specific industries or regions. It spans globally, making cybersecurity an attractive career option for those seeking financial stability and career growth. According to research by Cybersecurity Ventures, the average salary for cybersecurity professionals is consistently higher than many other IT roles. Moreover, specialized positions such as cybersecurity architects and penetration testers command even higher salaries. As organizations recognize the importance of cybersecurity, they are willing to invest in top talent to protect their digital assets. Have you made your mind yet? If you're still deciding, I'll give you another reason. This will be reason number 5. Continuous learning and skill development. In cybersecurity, learning is a lifelong journey. The dynamic nature of the field ensures that professionals must continuously update their knowledge of evolving threats. Cybersecurity certifications, workshops, and industry conferences offer avenues for professionals to enhance their expertise and remain relevant in the ever-changing landscape. So threat intelligence plays a pivotal role in cybersecurity, enabling organizations to anticipate and defend against emerging threats. Cybersecurity professionals rely on threat intelligence platforms to gather real-time data on potential threats, allowing them to proactively adapt their security measures and counteract potential attacks. The field of cybersecurity is undoubtedly worth considering as a career choice. In the expanding cyber threat landscape, rising demand for professionals, diverse career paths, and competitive salaries all contribute to its allure. As a cybersecurity professional, you can play a crucial role in defending against cyber threats, protecting digital assets, and maintaining the integrity of the digital world. However, success in cybersecurity demands continuous learning, adaptability, and a commitment to staying one step ahead of ever-evolving threats. If you're passionate about technology, problem solving, and making a career in cybersecurity can offer you an exciting and fulfilling journey. So take a leap and join the ranks of cyber defenders who are shaping a safer and more secure digital future for all. Thank you.